Hey guys, Swamp Piper 84 coming your way today in what's left of, well, tropical storm, tropical wave, depression, whatever the hell it is, Erica. Just a bunch of rain right now. It's scattered up into a bunch of storms. What am I smoking? Little Missouri Meerschaum second corn cob. I think that's what the Bent Legend. And see if I can do this. Got it in my pocket over here. I'm smoking a little bit of Orlick Dark Strong Kentucky. Gotta love that stuff. Oh, dropped my tin. Can't do that. Pop that right in there. But yeah, I just want to show everybody what the storm looks like. It's not too bad. We've had far worse, of course. No hurricanes, knock on wood, here lately. Since all those, the three hit us, several years ago, back to back to back. But yeah, it's gonna kind of show you around, show you what the storm looks like real quick, and it's gonna be a little short video. Hope everyone's doing well, and until next time, peace, guys. That's where part of the meetup was, guys. That's what we're looking at right now. It's supposed to be a few days of this, so it'll be wet, and I'll be inside, so I'll be making, hopefully I'll be able to make a lot of videos, catch up on some stuff. So alright guys, I'm gonna end it for now. Like I said earlier, until next time, peace guys.